Hi everyone! Today I'll show you exactly how to dropship products from Alibaba to your TikTok shop. A perfect beginner who wants to start selling with no inventory. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to set up your TikTok seller account. Go to your TikTok shop seller center and then sign up and complete all the identity verification and business detail. Then here, after that, you can choose your region and set your shop name and upload any required documents. Then, create a free Alibaba account. Head over to alibaba.com and sign up. You can use your account to browse suppliers and then contact them for product quotes. Then, after that, you can choose a product to sell. Then look for a trending, lightweight and affordable products like beauty tools, gadgets, or fashion items. And make sure your chosen items has the low MOQ, fast delivery options, good reviews, and supplier rating. Contact the suppliers who handle and they support the drop shipping, white and or white labeling. Then list the product on your TikTok shop. Go to your seller center dashboard and click add product, then upload the image and videos, add title with the keywords, write a compelling descriptions, set the price, and choose a stock and shipping detail manually. Then after that, you can fulfill the orders manually via Alibaba. When the customers buy just go to Alibaba and place the order of your supplier and then select the drop shipping. Pay for the order and supplier ships it directly to the buyer. Provide a tracking number in seller center. Then that's it. That's how you drop ship from Alibaba to TikTok shop step by step. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.